What's up, boys? We're back on this rainy day. It is that season. We all know we're all doing maintenances, spring maintenances, coil cleanings, this and that. So I was talking to my buddy, HVACR dude, my boy Dennis from out in Chicago. What's up, brother? I was talking to him today. He's like, what are you doing? I'm like, I was doing coil washings, this and that, some walk-ins. He said, dude, he goes, why don't you throw a little video together and show what's in your cleaning kit, what you use for your maintenance stuff. So figured I'd throw a quick video together for you guys just about what I keep in my kit. Other guys probably use other things. Some may use the same, but I found this is just what works for me. It's very, very simple and easy, but it gets the job done. Just for, washing condensers on the roof, and I wash a lot of, walk-in evaporators and things like that. So, all right, show you guys what it is, and let's get to it. All right, boys, so here we are. We'll keep this short and sweet and just give you the rundown here. Hose, of course. A lot of guys at my company, we started using this like flex hose now that, you guys know when it's done, it shrinks back up. It's awesome because you can just put it in your 5-gallon bucket or something. It's way easier to store than trying to roll up a big stiff hose. I mean, obviously I got more in the back there, but I got this one for now. This actually, once it's filled, it goes out. It's a 100-footer. It's been pretty awesome. Got your hose nozzle, of course. These are the two types of coil cleaners we mainly use. We got the new bright blue for the condenser coils, and just the evap power for the green stuff for your evap coils. This stuff, guys, if you don't know, watch the condenser coil cleaner because it will burn you, and it'll burn you good. Been burnt many times by that stuff. We got a pump sprayer. This is how I apply my cleaner. Old school ways. I used to have a nice coil gun, but that broke a few years ago, and I've never gotten another one. So, pump sprayer it is. And then I just load up my brushes and things. Need a simple 5-gallon bucket. That's all it is. I got one of these little brushes. This is awesome for I use this a lot cleaning ice machines. This is really good to help get in those tight areas and stuff. It's just a tile cleaning brush. They got them at Home Depot. I think this thing's like $2. Oh yeah, and here's my Minions Band-Aid. Cut my finger pretty good the other day, bleeding everywhere. But the Minions will take care of it, so don't worry. Use a wire brush sometimes. You got some real crap on those coils. Wire brush it down first, or a regular brush. I got another little scrub brush here, another Home Depot special. This thing's $4 or $5. Because when we do walk-in coils, we do everything. We do the fronts. We'll remove the fan guards if need be. One of these brushes too I use. This is the short handle one. I'd like to get the long handle one as well, but this is really good for cleaning the fan guards and scrubbing down the fronts of the coils. Even the backs as well. If you just got some dust you want to loosen up or remove before you spray your cleaner on. My gallo gun. If I got a little clog in the drain, you can blast it out with one of these. This is great to have too. If not, I got my big CO2 tanks here, so you can really blast the crap out of a drain. And these are my big, things are like 2 feet, like giant channel locks. These are awesome. These work really well on drain lines and big drain lines to disconnect the unions or whatever if you got to flush out a drain or blow it out. I've had these things for years, and they're probably one of my most used and favorite tools ever. They're always part of my PM kit. But I mean, this is basically it, guys. This is all you need for washing coils. Obviously if you're doing PM checkouts after, you got to bring your tools in, whatever. And, I may grab a couple other hand tools while I'm washing coils, like my 8-in-1, or, maybe another pair of smaller pliers, an adjustable wrench, something like that. Maybe my drill. You take your drill or whatever for removing fan guards and things like that. But, I mean, it's really very simple, guys. Some rags maybe. But that's about it. But I got a request from one of my good buddy, like I said, HVAC dude, Dennis out in Chicago. If you guys don't watch him, check out his channel. He puts up some good stuff, and he posts videos almost daily. So he's lucky he's able to do that. But just wanted to give you the quick rundown, boys. Like I said, let me know what you guys use in your kit, But this is basically all I need. I've been doing this for years like this, and seems to have been working fine. I wanted to mention too, guys, with the mixture, I usually mix my evap cleaner or my coil cleaner with water. Obviously, I don't put the straight cleaner on. This stuff you can, but why waste it? I usually mix it 50-50. This is a 2-gallon pump sprayer, so I usually put a gallon of this in, the other half water. Same with the condenser cleaner. I may dilute this, you know, like a third, and then the other 2/3 water in there. It all depends how bad the coils are up on the roof. Just wanted to add these in here too, guys. I use these once in a while. This would be more for indoor stuff. Like I may use this for a little reach in on this Cal Clean for condenser coils. I don't use it on the hvacs, but I use it in the kitchen sometimes if something's real greasy. But this stuff does give off a strong odor. It's really strong. It don't smell good. And then you got this stuff too. We can use. This is good for indoor coils, for evaporators. It says no rinse, and it actually seems to work pretty good. But sometimes try to rinse it if you can. You know, it's good for ductless mini splits, things like that. You know, but like I said, if you got something real greasy in a restaurant, you want to use this blue stuff, but you got to be very careful where you use it because you don't want anyone to step in it or get burned from it or anything like that. So, but wanted to show you guys these two. I don't use this stuff much, but we keep it in our trucks for when it's needed. It definitely has its purpose, you know. And anyway, well, we're talking about condenser coil cleaning, especially this stuff, guys. They make it in other colors too. There's a yellow one, and oh god, I forget the others. But anyway, like I said, how this burns you, I didn't know. I'll tell you a quick story. I made a rookie mistake when I was younger. My boss was like, oh yeah, we're going up to wash some coils, blah blah blah. He was up on the roof with me. This is going back like, I don't know, a long time, 18 years ago or something. Oh yeah, go throw some of that coil cleaner on the coil, Chris. We gotta wash that. I'm like, oh, all right. And it was one of the coils that was horizontal. So me not knowing, I'm like, oh yeah, let's throw it on the coil from the bottom. I start going like this with the bottle while it's open. No idea, guys. No idea. Came all over my forearm, my hand. Oh my god, it was like burnt the crap out of my arm and hand. Not good. Like I said, guys, be safe with this stuff. Be careful. I'm telling you, it's no joke. It'll eat your skin away. So I mean, that's pretty much it, boys. You know, it's not rocket science. It's just you need your basic stuff to wash some coils. Like I said, this isn't for PM checkouts, things like that, where you need your tools, your meters, you got to take readings. This is just for straight coil cleaning, you know, and washing. It's something we all got to do. You know, unfortunately, I'll be the first one to admit I pretty much hate doing it now. I think it's a pain in the ass, and I've been doing it for a long time, so it's just boring, mind-numbing work, and I'd much rather be out fixing stuff than washing coils. But it is what it is. It's all part of the trade. We got to get things ready for the summer. You know, same thing in the fall with things like that. I do a ton of walk-ins, so we're usually doing those coils usually once in the fall and once in the spring. The indoor ones, we do the outside ones like once a year in the spring. But like I said, I got the request from my boy, so figured you guys would maybe be interested as well, just to see what I use. And still at the grind, guys, trying to get some stuff together for you, but it's hard. A lot of jobs, like I said. I know I repeat myself, but I don't want you guys to think I'm trying to forget you. I just don't have a lot of footage sometimes, and it's just a lot of times it's very hard to get stuff. So, but anyways, boys, I appreciate all the support once again. I'll catch y'all in the next one.